Welcome back to this channel. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 19th of December. And first of all, national news. Assam asked 15 people declared foreigners to leave India within 24 hours. India-Oman FTA likely to kick in by March 2026, export target at $6 billion. Oldest state education board. The UP board was established in 1921 in Prayagraj. No evidence pillar meant for lighting lamps. Tamil Nadu to court on Deepam Raw. Visakhapatnam bound Air India flight cancelled due to technical. And now some international news. Melania, US First Lady's Amazon documentary will release in January. Raw sewage, broken toilets, plight of US troops on Mexico border. India-Oman trade deal beginning of new chapter, Muscat Policy Council Chief. Day after Ethiopia's top honor, PM Modi got Oman's highest award. And now some sports news. Sumit Nagal sealed Golden Point thriller as AOS Eagles soared at World Tennis League. Shubman Gill's major weakness, 28-game issue exposed by ex-India batting coach. Harmanpreet Kaur, the best person to lead this Indian team, Anjum Chopra. Ishan Kishan celebrated after slamming a ton in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy final. The 40-20 international match between India and South Africa was called off due to excessive fog. Now news related to business. Trade setup for December 19, Nifty held near key sport analyst see range-bound moves ahead. ECB held rates with growth firmer and inflation near target. HCL Tech to buy Hewlett Packard's telecom solutions business for Rs 1,400 crore. Ola stock slide 3%. CEO Bhavish Agrawal sold another chunk of shares. Science-related news. 3i Atlas is set to make its closest approach to Earth on December 19, 2025. And that's all in news. Thank you.